Okay, so next we will do the user activities, and we will see where we supposed to get the accounting document, whether we are getting or not. So create the purchase order. Again, right now I am user. I'm going to create the purchase order ME21N. Select the vendor here. Add your purchase organization. Okay, here when you are selecting the vendor, make sure that the vendor what you are selecting, it should be created under purchase organization. If you have created any vendor only from FI point of view and you are selecting here, it is the system will not accept. Add the company code. Purchase group. What is our material? Two four two three.
Can you have multiple purchase organizations for company code?
Yeah, you can do that.
What would be the reason for doing that? Is it because you want to maintain a different?
Normally, like if company is going for central purchase unit, purchase organization, then one-to-one relation is there. If you want to maintain multiple under one company code, unit-wise purchase organization, then you can, because we have assignment option there. Anyway, we are going to assign purchase organization to company code, so you can do that. Purchase group is WMP. Select the material 2423. Purchase quantity, let's say 60. Delivery date, price, plant, okay, here I want to add some transportation cost, so you need to add the condition. Right now you don't know the condition type. In ASD we will see this. Add the condition type for transportation cost or for freight. It is, add it here, FRB1, and the transportation cost is, let's say, 200. Total transportation cost 200. So now your total material cost is 12,000. Transportation cost is 200. So total this invoice will be there. Just exclude the tax and all. It will be 12,200. The same price is updated here. Post it. Note down this PO number. Purchase order internal document in MM. With this, no other document will be generated. Next, I am going to process the GR, and here we will expect the other documents. So process the GR or the common transaction code MIGO. Here the movement types are important because the same transaction code MIGO we can use for other areas also. So that's why make sure that when you are processing one GR, movement type should be 101. Go for MIGO, or it is there in the logistic material management, inventory management, goods movement, goods receipt, for purchase order. If PO number you know, you can directly, suppose you don't know the PO number, MIGO purchase order number no, so you can search the purchase order also. Suppose I want to search the purchase order ME23N. Right now it is only one purchase order is there, so directly it's showing. Suppose multiple purchase orders are there. Click on document overview on, activate the purchase orders, and you can search purchase orders from vendor wise or company code wise. Okay, let's say we will search the purchase order. For this vendor, what are the purchase orders are there? You will get the list here. Okay, so in that way you can search the purchase order. Okay, add your purchase order number, or you can directly give the plant and execute what are the purchase order will be there. You can select from the list. Our plant is W1. Make sure that this movement type is 101, which is your, we are receiving the goods against your purchase order. Now we are processing the GR, person processing the GR. So select item OK. Okay, before this you just check whether whatever we have placed the order, we are receiving the same. We are receiving from this vendor. Okay, and this is the material number. This is the material details, material group, how many quantity, 60 kg from this, in this plant we are purchasing. This is your PO number. Freight cost is also there from this vendor. All these informations are there available. I want to see whether all the informations are available or not. Select item OK, check. One field intentionally left blank. Yes, storage location. So storage location is missing. Just go to here, add the storage location. WM01. Now once again check. Post it. So with this posting, you will find two documents, one document and one FI document. Document number generated, note it. We know how to check the FI document, FB03, that we will see. Check the MM document, MB03. This is the document number. Go to overview. Okay, check the details. The details already we have verified. Now go to material master. So that time you ask why we need them. We processed one GR. Now we are going to see the material information, master information, and also we are going to see the accounting information. Select, go to material master. Previously, what was the stock position? 0. Now go to the accounting information, accounting tab. We are having 60 kg of stock and the stock price is 203.33. How this price derived? This is your moving average price, 12,200 divided by 60. The price is updated, and also one more price is updated. What is this price? This is your GL price, so total value. Now if you'll check your FBL3N entry, you will find the accounting entries. Check the current date. Okay, here some old month-end activity dates are, ignore this one. Okay, what is your raw material stock? Inflow of stock 12,200 and what is this posting key? 89. 89 means inward stock movement. Nowhere we have posted any manual entries. We just process the GR, or person process the GR, and we are getting the update, everything accounting information. So check the 89. 89 stock inward movement. Okay, debit entry. So stock ledger updated with 12,200. So what is the accounting entry? Raw material stock will debit. Now we are purchase order done. This one, GR, raw material stock debited, GRR supposed to be credit, and freight clearing supposed to be credit. Let's see. Stock debited, GRR 12,000. That means credited with stock price, and freight clearing credited with 200. So this accounting entry, GRIR credit means 96, debit 86. See, GRIR credit, and GL stock, that is also credit 50, 200. Same, how can we say this one is your one integrated document? That you can verify from MM document also and FI document also. If you'll see here, go to the accounting document. So that means with reference to the MM document, with reference to this MM document, document number 360, this FI document 50,000 posted. So we can also verify. If we'll go to the original document, you will find the MM document or GR. This one we have processed. So with reference to this document, we got the accounting document. This is the accounting document. Also, you can verify the relationship browser. Now we are in FB03. Purchase order, with this purchase order GR and the accounting. Okay, this one we have seen from MM. The source document was MM document. Also, we can get the same information from FI. Check anyone. Document number, purchase document updated. This is FI document, so that's why reference document is updated. So purchasing document updated with reference to this one, purchase order 738. With reference to this purchase order, there is a stock movement or inward stock movement is there, and you can see the accounting document. Stock debited, GRI credited, and freight clearing. Now let's verify this document in your table. Basic, okay. Document number, company code WM10, BLNR, document number 54 times 0. GRI document updated. Okay. Stock, this GRI, this is your stock price debit, this is your GRIR, and this is your credit. Right now, with this activity, we don't have any scope. We can't verify the your MM document. This option is not there. It's only accounting information swing. If you need some MM information, then you need to check the MM table. These things are simplified in the S4HANA. There I'm going to show you one document where we process the GR, and you can verify the source document, because this is not the source document, it is the integrated document. Let me go to the HANA system. This is just for your information. here we are using one table, that is your universal journal table. That is only everything, all your FI data, CO data, everything will be part of only one table. That is your SC doc K. No more accessing multiple tables. What is the document number? Okay, let's run it. I think this one, KPF. Oh yeah, this one. Let me confirm once. Document number 49. No, not this one. $50,000. Okay, so this document we have posted. This is the same document what we are discussing, but I want to see with reference to which document this one posted. When I'm checking here table, I'm not getting information. I'm only getting the FI information. That's it. Okay, here I want to see. You can see here. Go to S4HANA. Here you can see one document is there. Reference document. So what is the reference document? This reference document is not, it is the part of your MM. Here it is MM is not there. That is simple logistic. So if I will go to the MM document, so you will find this document, I mean simple logistic document, mat doc, you will find this document. So here we are getting some additional informations. That means with reference to which document, that means it's now simplified. We can say this particular document derived from the MM activity, and with reference to this MM document, this document is there. But right now in ECC, this option is not there because anything not related to material is updated. It is only related to accounting entry is only updated. So that's why it's showing only the accounting part, not the FI part. It's not, the MM part we are not showing. Okay, anyhow, this accounting document is also updated here. Now we want to see the stock position. What is, how many stocks we have? 60 kg stock is there. Let's verify. So go to the transaction code MB03. Sorry, it's MMB. So how many stock we have? 60 kg stock is there in this particular plant, and in this warehouse 60 kg stock is there. So far integration is working fine. We process the purchase order and we have processed the GR also. Now same information is available in your accounting document. Same information is also available in the material master. Next we will process the invoice, but for invoice processing tax configuration is there, which right now we don't have. In next session we will do the tax configuration and we will complete this invoice. Right now stock debited and GRR credited, not the vendor rate credited. Okay, now out of this 60 kg of stock what you have, let's say we will issue 40 kg of stock to the production. That is known as material consumption. This part. Raw material stock issued to production. Out of 60 kg, 40 kg stock we will issue at the rate whatever the moving price. We will see what is the moving price is updated. Okay, manually we are not going to do select anything. Again we will process this MM user. MM user will process this. And here how many documents will be there? 3 documents will be there. MM document, FI document, and CO document also. Because this cost is from GL point of view, FI point of view, it is going to part of your income statement, and from costing point of view, it is part of your cost sheet. So process the, it is known as raw
Raw
material.
material consumption is basically the WIP account,
Which account?
the work in process. When you say raw material
Raw
consumption,
material consumption, it is the material cost. When we are going to prepare the cost sheet, it is the material cost.
right? But is it where the work for the production, when you release those raw material, it goes into work in process account, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you mean by raw material consumption?
Yeah, it's part of your work in progress, part of your factory cost.
Okay.
Okay, raw material consumption. For this, one cost center is required. Right now, I don't have the cost center. Just one cost center, dummy cost center I'm going to create so that we can use it here. In future, we will create all the other cost centers. So create one cost center. Transaction code case 01. So when you are going to create the cost center, like first it will be the cost center hierarchy should we need to maintain. That means the cost center hierarchy, standard hierarchy. Under this we have the cost center groups, then cost center. But right now I'm not going to create a group. At least we need to create the cost center hierarchy, and I'm going to create the cost center. Go to your controlling area. Maintain the cost center standard hierarchy. Take anything, let's say W001. Save it. This does not exist. Yes. Now we will create the cost center. Transaction code case01. But again, we will repeat all these things in our controlling configuration with a proper way. Right now, roughly, I'm creating one cost center. Cost center accounting. Master data. Cost center. Check the standard hierarchy, which is right now not the it is not proper standard hierarchy, because in standard hierarchy, let it come. See, right now standard hierarchy is there. After that, groups should be there. After that, different cost center. Because why the groups are there? Because we have different type of cost center groups. Will production, service, maintenance, different type of groups will be there. In that we will see in controlling. Right now, I'm just going to create one cost center as production cost center so that we can transfer the cost to that particular cost center. Okay, so it is incomplete. Create cost center. Take something, let's say 1000. Take the validity. From this date, this cost center is active. Master data. Production. Person responsible. Department. Cost center category. It's production. Select hierarchy. Right now we don't have groups, so automatically system selected the hierarchy. But once you have group, we will get the option. Business area if you want. Currency. Save it. Ignore this message because profit center we don't have the profit center. So now cost elements are there and control cost center is there, and we can issue the stock to the production or raw material consumption. Use the transaction code MB1A. Again, from MM we will use the process. Go to logistic, material management, inventory management, goods movement, goods issue. Here it's movement type 201. Goods issue. PP configuration is not there, so without production order we are processing this one. Select the movement type. Movement type 201. Cost consumption in cost center. Consumption for cost center from warehouse. Continue. Add the cost center here. And which material you are going to send. Material number 2423. How much quantity? 40. Okay, we got one error. We configured the FI document for as system will generate the FI document. Similarly, we need to configure the CO document also, so which is missing. Controlling document for that means here one controlling document will be there, which is missing. Let me fix the issue first. Controlling, general controlling, maintain number range for controlling documents, transaction code KNK. Controlling area, click on groups. Like in FI we have the document types, here we have the business transactions are there. For different transactions we have, for different activity, different controlling transactions are there. Right now we are going to use this one, coin. CO posting through FI, because in controlling we are not going to post any transaction, it will be derived from FI only. So CO through FI posting, and right now it is there in the non-assigned elements. So we will create one group create. Add the number range, save. So our group created. Now add this one from non-assigned to our group. Select assign. Okay, now try once again. Cost center 1000. Material 2423, 40 kg. One more document generated, MM document. Check this document. Go to MB03. MM document, go to overview. Check your material master first. And what is your closing stock now? We have 20 kg of stock and this is the cost. With this entry there is no impact in the GRIR, but there is impact in the stock. That means previously this is inflow of stock, debit, and this is outflow of stock. Okay, when inward stock movement 89, outward stock movement 99, that means from warehouse we transferred some stock to production, so it is a credit entry. Raw material consumption debited, stock credited. This is your credit entry. And where is the debit? Debit is the raw material consumption. Accounting entry is also updated, and same is also updated here. Same accounting entry. Raw material, two documents are there. One is your FI document 49 4 times 0, and one document CO document is generated. So that time we got the error, CO document number was missing. Okay, so accounting document is also generated. Let's see the accounting document. So what is the source document? Original document is your document, stock issue. Okay, then in accounting, two documents are there. FI document, raw material stock credited, raw material consumption debited with one cost object. Cost object means here we can verify the CO document, and also we can run the cost center report also. Okay, so that's why this cost center cost object is updated. Now check the controlling document. What is the FI document? FI document is 494 times 0, and check the controlling document, case B5. It's not 49, it's 1. So with reference to this document, this is your document 17674. With reference to the document, your CO document generated. Okay, with the cost element, it's not GL, it's cost element 1000. So check the, also you can see the stock position. What is the closing stock? 20. So your GL report is also updated, GL balance updated, and you can also see the cost center report. All these things, the controlling part, don't worry now. In future we will see. Once again, I'm just showing the integration part. Check the cost center report. It's updated, GL updated, cost center updated, and how many stock, if you want to see, let me add this quantity also. How many quantity? 40 kg. That means 40 kg material reduced from your stock, and the cost is updated. This is your cost center report for your cost of production calculation. This is your GL report for income statement, and this is your source document is document. So all three systems are integrated. Okay, you can also check one report. So with this material document, this FI document generated, this is your posting date, quantity updated 60 kg of stock quantity, and this is your price 12,1200. With this document, with this FI document, 40 kg stock reduced, issued to production. This is the credit entry. So right now we are having closing stock of 40 kg, and this is the price. Fine. Check the GL. This is the price. This will provide you, not this one. This will provide you the accounting information, and this will provide you the complete information. As everything is integrated, so we are getting the complete picture. Otherwise, if you are using multiple applications, so from somewhere you will find the accounting part, somewhere you will find the CO part, somewhere you will find the part. So we will stop here. In next session, we will add the tax part, and we will raise the invoice, because right now vendor invoice not yet created, because the credit entries you can find, it is there in the GRIR, and which are open items. So two credit entries are there. Okay, we need to debit the GRIR, and we will transfer credit to the vendor.